Hi, Divine Soul. Yes, today's reading is all about 1010 Portal, what it is bringing in your life. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the reading because it is a collective reading I'm doing for you because I'm a little bit getting this energy that this 1010 Portal is all about. Collective kind of energies. A lot of you are right now in a very kind of healing modes. Okay, the awakenings are getting. For some of you, there is, a lot awakenings going on, but there is second awakening for some of you that is actually going on, and trust me, that's something very heavy. So if you guys are feeling heavy and so on, just claim this energies before you start the reading. Okay, let's see what are your current energies so you will understand and get the confirmations that this reading is meant for you. Okay, not everything will resonate with you, but yes, take as it resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, so yeah, let's start. See the first card. Oh my god, that flipped out as We Are the World card. And yes, today is 10 Tempura, and we have started. Divine Edges know how to, give you confirmations. So, yes, you are right now in a very collective zone. I said now what I'm feeling is not just like that. Let me just remove out all the cards for you guys. Okay. Thunder. What what is one more card that I want? Hmm. Two possibilities. Okay. So I really feel, you know what, guys, that you guys are really having a lot going on. Your current energy is right now, like, you maybe some of you are feeling that everything, the universe is kind of helping you to get on your feet. Okay, second, you're understanding whatever happened in the past, the thunder movement right now, which is a little bit but for the second awakening people, there is a lot still going on, but you are okay with it. You're not either ways, you're neutral. Okay, and you understand that you're awakened already to this sensations that it is my awakening, spiritual awakening going on. Okay, this is not the dark night of the soul, but this is complete spiritual awakening that is happening on the horizons. Okay, collectively we all are connected, and we all are actually healing ourselves as well as the earth. That is something. For some of you, maybe you are feeling that thing. Okay, that you are actually getting healed, and with you there are other people as well which are healing. In fact, people must be letting you know as well that you are elevated, your aura is elevated, and yes, you are happy as well as you are making other people's happy. Okay, that is something that I am also getting. As well as also feel that a lot of trigger movements and tower movements has already happened in your life. Okay. Yeah, so number 10, number 16, number 2 is very important. Okay, that's something I'm getting for you guys. And let's see what more it is to Divan. Just want you to know, like, your current energies are very, you know the air, that you're in the darkness, but you're not in the complete darkness right now. First you were feeling that when it started. Okay, you felt that it is too much dark. Okay, the tower movement is happening in, like, it felt like your gut has been given a pang. Okay, and you have nowhere to go but just do it. Okay, no matter what it is. you have to do it. That is something I'm getting. But now it is that you are seeing yourself in a universal light, okay? Like for some of you, maybe you get this dream or a vision or a feeling that you guys are in the universe itself, okay? And you're kind of um, you're sitting in a meditation pose, okay? And your aura, your higher self is there seated in meditation, and all the vibrations, you're also healing yourself, okay, with the white light that has been given. And also that white from your aura, there is vibrations that are going in the universe everywhere, okay? It is passing, and you can feel the sense of healing from within you to the other peoples as well. That is something that I am getting, okay? As well as I am also feeling that triple one energies are also here, okay? I'm so sorry guys, I have to lock this, sorry. Triple one energies are also there. Triple two, 10 energies are already given here. But I really feel that you are kind of right now in this sense of zone that, like, you're in a very humanitarian position, you're dancing. If you can see, you're dancing around, and not only alone, but you're dancing with the gang, with the together, that oneness, okay, within yourself, with joy and gratitude. Yes, you know that everything that happened, it is because of some good possibilities are there. Also, this card is letting me know that it is time of communication, okay, for you. Maybe you're feeling you're communicating more, you're actually, people are trying to communicate with you, signs and synchronicities are communicating with you. So that's something that is happening, that you are experiencing, okay? And yes, when you um, recognize that, with that communication, you understand what are the patterns of yours, okay, and what everything is going through. Also, you know that somewhere this whatever is happening in your life right now, you just believe and trust, right, that there is possibilities, and it is right now you are in the ending part, okay? That's something I'm getting. Let's see what more your current energies are. Yeah, see, I told you, I really told you, there is this existence card, okay, again 10 and again 1 in that. So, yes, you have completed, there is a sense of completion within you, and a new start where you are just noticing. I told you, just look at this card, okay? Just look at this card. She is seated in the universe and meditating, okay, in a meditating pose. And what vision I told you, this card is giving you that confirmation. Trust me, you are actually noticing and experiencing everything. You're not judging, you're not wasting your times and everything, but you're actually doing all that stuff. Experience, and just do not judge, do not pass any assumptions and anything. You're just experiencing whatever the universe wants you to experience, and you are just letting it go. Yes, the lovers, yes, you are understanding why people are coming, okay? And this came in the reverse, and I can tell you that this feeling of beyond illusion is getting awakened for you, okay? You're able to see everything that very clearly here, okay? Your third eye chakra is very much active, I can see, as well as your throat chakra, your root chakra is getting activated. Your with the lovers card here, your Venus is getting activated. You're focusing on the self love, okay, self priority, self esteems, and all concepts about self, about your own journey, okay? That's something that you're aligning with your own self. Anything more? Yes, yes, you're understanding why everything happened, and why with the person that is going on. This is something energy that is I'm getting, that you're constantly thinking about the past lives, the adventure. You're getting matured, you're understanding why, where you are going, and it doesn't need the foolproof plan, okay? You just have to go with the flow. that you're understanding. These are your actual energies, okay? Maybe you have wore this kind of color, peacock bluish kind of green blue, okay, and orange, brown, white, blue, navy blue, like that, okay. So you have wore this as well as green color. I can sense anything more for the current energies, for divine energies. Yes, yeah, I feel that you have dreamed a lot of things, but you are also dreaming about all of things with respect to your next future as well as the past lives. Yes, your mind is getting confused and chaosed when it comes to so much of downloads, but divine angels are saying that turn in. Yes, do not feel it burden. Just let it go. Turn inside. Do not get into the outside world. That is something you're also getting and you're also doing. And maybe you're seeing triple four as well, because it is a illusion kind of things. Okay, your energy is like that. Okay, maybe you are more aware of your emotions, okay, that is also one case. You stay nearby oceans, or there is too much heat where you live right now. That is something I'm getting. So yes, let's start with your reading. Okay, so let's see what the STEM 10 portal is bringing. I don't know why, but I'm feeling that triple eight, triple nine. The 88 portal, the 99 portal was very significant for you guys, and yes, it was interconnected. And I don't know why networking. I'm seeing networking, a lot of networking, career, job, sales. I don't know why I'm saying that. Love, fortunes, good fortunes in short. These words are coming. The emperor. Okay, so let me first take one by one. Okay, so number four, I told you triple four is very important for you guys. Maybe you're saying triple four, you're getting practical. I really feel that you're getting practical. You're feeling that you're taking the charge of your own self. You're not you have that wisdom right now. You have that armed mindset right now. You know that every struggle that you that was meant that came in your life was kind of building you to the core, okay, that everything is just fine and amazing and attuned with your life, okay. I also feel that you are just observing right now, okay. In October, I really feel that you're owning your thrones, okay, guys. You're really owning that damn throne of your. And I really feel that um, everything is coming into fruitations because you are taking charge of your own self. You are working on yourself, and you are not showing people what is going on and everything, as well as I really feel that right now you are going to take a lot of divine masculine, the ruler, the builder of your own world kind of energy, okay. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, and I trust me, you may be having the zodiac signs, or you're working on the zodiac sign, okay. As well as I really feel that you're getting that authority kind of a position. As I said, before pulling out the cards, I was saying the career, the sales, those kind of words. It is actually interconnected with this, because you're actually getting that position or career. You're entering that career where you're the actual charge, you're the actual authority kind of a level, okay. You are ruling everywhere, okay. You are becoming stable, you are becoming disciplined, because if you can see that this person is very have a lot of knowledge because of his white kind of the beard is not here just to show that he is old, but it is showing us that he has that kind of the energy of this person has the lot of experience he has got through his hardships through his tower moments. Okay, so he knows how to be in power, be stable regardless of all the negativities and stuckness in his life, how to move forward with the discipline. Okay, and how to be a leader. Okay, have to, the things that are needed in a leader is kind of a leadership kind of things. The foundations are getting, your root chakra is getting activated and balanced. Okay, in on the strengthen portal. Okay, also you're drawing boundaries like a sun. Okay, because I don't know why this is the emperor card, but it is also giving me the sun kind of energy where you're putting that boundary that no one, a person cannot go away from you, as well they cannot come closer than the boundary levels. So that is something that I'm getting. Also the emperor is represents, taking charge of your life. So right now in the Stanton portal, you're fully taking charge of your life from the smallest changes or actions in your day to day life. You're building something lasting from a place of wisdom and inner strength, and you are turning chaos into a structure, emotions into plans, and visions into reality. That is something I'm getting. Also, I'm feeling that it's a powerful reset code for you, closing like old timelines and opening higher paths aligned with your soul's truth. As tent and portal energy is this. Okay, also it also often brings clarity, empowerment, and the courage to act on what your higher self already knows. So just remember that you are going to be initiating, this portal in short is initiating you to into your own throne. Okay, your next level of power and purpose. So it is like, take your power back kind of a stuff where the time for waiting or doubting is over for you, and you're being, asked to lead or decide or act upon certain things, and not from fear but from grounded authority, and like a very balanced and stable person who has that wisdom and courage within him. Okay, as well as I am feeling from this card that clean up your energetic and physical space. Okay, restructure your habits, relationships, or goals. What's not stable must go right now. That is also something that is adding up with your energies, as well as you're balancing. If a lot of you were not feeling good, okay, you are not feeling balanced, so use structure, focus, and responsibility as sacred tools, not walls. Balance the masculine within. Okay, the emperor rules with love, not control, so remember that thing. Also, if you're trying to manifest something, okay, this strength and portal gives the energetic green light, but you must build the foundation first. The emperor message is for you, that the universe supports what you commit to daily. Okay, crown yourself energetically right now. Visualize the golden light over your crown chakra, stepping into sovereignty, authority, and alignment with your divine mission. Okay, just remember that. As well as I really feel there is a huge career things going on in your life. You're building a foundation of your own life. Okay, you're becoming stable. Okay, and yes, you are taking all the responsibility when it comes to your finance, career, your own self worth, and everything. You are putting that damn masculine energy, guys. Trust me, you are. I don't want to take that because it is not falling and I was not shuffling nicely. Okay, see, Seven of Wands. Okay, so divine angels are saying that I don't know, but I was going to say 7-7 portal. For some of you, maybe this 7-7 portal is also significant, or your birth dates are 4 or 7. So yeah, so yeah. And also number 16 is also getting into my things. That's something I'm getting, as well as I feel that you guys were, struggling so much, you were putting so much of efforts, you were just putting efforts, okay, I really feel. But right now, when you will be putting efforts, okay, you will be understanding that it is actually blooming, okay. Seven of wands is again the fire, Leo energy it is mostly, okay. So maybe your sun sign or moon sign or the major signs are ruling in Leo sign. So take as it resonates, okay. um as well as I feel that you're being tasted, okay. In this 1010 portal, this test right before a major breakthrough is right now, okay. It is starting right now, it is going to be done today itself with the 1010 portal. And just know that you have achieved something or reached a higher energetic level, and now the universe is asking you that will you stand in your truth when challenged, okay. Because that is something being asked, because it is just nearby the emperor. So that's something I'm getting. It's not about fighting others, okay, just remember that it's not about fighting others in the 3D world and everything. It's about staying rooted in your confidence and knowing your worth, even when doubt, comparison, or outside opinions try to shake you. Just work on yourself. That is what I'm saying. You're coming out of this cocoon kind of energy. Right now you're not in a struggling mode, you're just going with the flow, okay. And I feel this, the seven of wands is also talking about the energetic protection is given by this portal. This during portal shifts, your light expands, okay. And with that expansion you may attract resistance or judgment as well. So this card is also saying, talking about, shield your energy, stay true to your inner wisdom as well, and to your inner vision that is mandatory for you to hold and grab upon, okay. Don't let others opinion dilute your vibration. Take your own charge, take the damn responsibility of your life. Try to manifest by your own single wound, okay. It's a reminder from this card that your energy field is sacred. Protect it like a temple. If you are giving it to each and everyone, it will be like you will always be struggling. So that is what I'm saying. You're becoming the emperor in this things, and you're understanding those lessons, okay. You don't need everyone to understand you, you just need to stand firm in your knowings. Challenges is equal to confirmation that you're rising. So remember that every challenge is making you that damn king, the damn emperor that owns his own life and as well as others. You are the higher ground, just remember that. Defend your dreams from self doubt as fiercely as you would from anyone else. Stand tall, okay, in your truth, and just know that you don't have to prove anything to anyone. You just have to make sure that uh, you have that quality within you, okay, that you can achieve whatever you were struggling. Now you will be like getting going with the flow and everything, especially in your career. I can feel this is the both career kind of career and finance and your self development kind of energies that I am seeing, okay. So in career I can really sense that there is a huge turning point for you guys, okay. There are opportunities that will be coming, but you are not able to see it right now because you're moving forward. 7 8, 4 7 8, you're moving forward right now. You won't be able to see. You are still in that process where you are feeling tied up, okay. You are feeling that when I'm now I saw just 11 11, so that is the confirmation that your wish is coming true, but you are not able to see it. So whatever your wish is, and in terms of whatever it is, also a communication is coming from the universe, okay. So it might be a person, a job offer, a call from your person. Yeah, I can see a past person, a ex kind of a figure coming towards you, messaging you all of a sudden. And you're see, page of pentacles, I told you that you are thinking practically on all these things, okay. No matter if it is love or everything, you're trying, you will be trying to communicate everything. You will be removing all this mask and trying to see each and everything very clearly. That is something I'm getting, Okay, let's side it now, because that's one part that divine angels wanted to say. There is something different as well. This energies are for everyone. There is different kind of energies, okay? And yes, that was one kind of energy. That's why divine angels told me to just cut it off. See, I told you. Nine of Cups. Now it is. This is the love kind of energy I'm feeling. Yeah. See, if you can see, I cannot show you. Sorry, but the Sun card. I told you. I told you that you are waiting for your person or the right person in your life. If you're single, let's talk about the single first. You're waiting for that one cup that can fulfill, and that is the love of cup, okay? That your person, okay, whatever, regardless of your gender, you are waiting for that person. And yes, soon your apple pie sunshine will be coming and entering, okay, after this 10 portal, um, till the December 12th, 12 portal. 10 portal to 12 portal, a lot of you singles will meet your divine partner, okay? As well as there is fulfillment regarding each and every stuff, okay? Also with regards to your health, career. This is a overall card. You are getting your manifestations. I'm seeing manifestations are coming. Yes, you already know. You will be knowing and sensing this, that there is a change in the environment, there is a change in the weather. It is kind of telling you or speaking to you energetically that yes, the sun is brighter, your life is brighter, and the your manifestations are coming. That's what universe is trying to tell you. Do not wait for it. Just work upon it. Divine energies are saying, yeah. See, I told you. The Empress, everything, good opportunities, good news are coming. You will be feeling amazing. Also, some of you are getting pregnant, or you're already pregnant, then definitely there is a masculine figure or a girl or a feminine energy is coming into the fruition for you, okay? Most of the 60% of the people are getting masculine male. A sun can be come, okay, coming towards you. And yes, it's like, yeah, whatever you wanted is actually given to you. That is something I'm listening. A lot of you will be actually planting seeds, okay? You will be, yes, I'm saying now, you will be planting seeds, and that is meant to be good for you, okay? You were wanting to plan the things, but yes, you will be getting a good news about it. When you are working, when you are busy working on yourself or in your office or something, also there will be a email popping up. I don't know, but this email popping up or a message popping up, message is coming like for from 2 to 3 days continuously, and trust me, it is the time you will be seeing it very soon. There is someone who is actually coming forward with all their strength and courage towards you. And yes, you will be getting a lot of news and opportunities. That will you help us, or would you like to join us? This is the offer letter that we are introducing you. We want to hire you and everything. Or maybe you will get to know someone's feelings from someone else, that this person was talking about behind your back like this, that they like you or love you, okay? You will be getting a lot of things, okay? Yeah, see, I told you, communication is coming. A very clear communication from a past person or a person which is in your mind right now is actually going to come soon. Yes, like from 6 days from now, or for like 6 days from now. Yes, it's a day's energies I'm getting, because 6 of cups, right? 6 days. Yes, yes, I'm telling you, this person is very much into their in their emotions, and they just want to come towards you very straightforwardly, okay, because they know that you will not entertain them. They know that they right now, for some of you, maybe this person was strict and practical beforehand, but right now the sets are changed. There is a switch of role. You are practical and they are emotional, and yes, they are coming towards you, and yes, you will be like, just come to me when you are very much wanting to be accumulating and acknowledge the real energies of our relationships, and you value me and everything kind of a sort. As well as there will be, today maybe a lot of you will be getting a lot of gifts or roses or flowers, because that's something I'm getting from their females, or maybe your males, or whatever it is, your partners in short, I want to say. Yeah, the other cards are Knight of Swords and the Magician. I told you this is very this energy, whatever you prayed for, whatever you manifested is coming very fast towards you, and very like, you cannot even know, but it is divinely orchestrated. You don't know it is coming, but yes, it is coming. And you're just knowing that it is coming, but you cannot see it right now, because divine angels are protecting you from that. But yes, soon that, whatever you couldn't see, you will be actually having it directly in your hands, divine energies are saying. And trust me, you will be thinking that, oh my god, how come it happened like that. Yes, the divine judgment and justice card both are came, and the Hierophant is the bottom of the deck. Oh my god, this is really divine energies. Universe has seen you go through each and struggle. You have completed the lessons of yours. You have completed your karmic cycles. Then this justice is coming towards you. Whoever did wrong to you, it is coming. They will be coming towards you and trying to make things right, or at least end it with a good kind of closure and compositions, and a completion is been getting derived. Also, wherever you did good, if for some of you, a lot of you, if your partner was not talking to you, or feeling very distant or feeling very weird, there was third party situation, they will be understanding your value. They will be understanding this bond of yours, and they will be contacting you very soon, and this will happen very all of a sudden, because they are been given the karmic actions from the universe. Okay, in not actions, but a reaction to their action from the universe. And yes, you are getting karmic justice, um, because and as well as a lot of opportunities, and amazing good news, good omens. You will be seeing butterflies everywhere. 10, 10 number, 11, 11, triple one, triple five, triple seven, triple six. These are your confirmations, trust me. You are not seeing it right now. This message, this person, this is just to help you protect your blessings, because if you get to know that, you will be you will be like messing it around. So that is what divine angels are telling me. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you guys. Okay, I will be taking this from this. What is the guidance for my collective? Yeah, understanding. See, the guidance is all about understanding that you are not caged. You are free right now, and you're more than okay right now. to just be with yourself, to just be not okay. It's okay to be not okay. It's okay where you are right now. It's okay to move on and enjoy and fly for your own self. You are understanding why everything happened in your life, why every bird tried to, what they tried to teach you. You're understanding every depth of every moment, okay? And that's what guidance is, that understanding is your power. Understanding and receiving the downloads from the universe is very important for you right now. So definitely do meditate, do go for a nature's walk, okay? Try to communicate with your higher self, try to communicate with your universe, try to understand the signs and synchronicities. If you're not understanding, try to understand that you really need help and you need to seek help if you really need any help, okay? Yes, comparison. Stop comparing yourself. Divine angels are saying, stop comparing your journey with another person's journey. Stop comparing that you are not beautiful, she's beautiful, or you are not handsome, he's doing well, and I'm not doing any well. Stop doing that. Stop comparing and start living. Okay, start acknowledging and be grateful for what divine angels have already given you. Start being playful, enjoy your life, enjoy the moment, because you don't know what next is served for you, okay? This moment is actually what divine gift is, okay? Start enjoying your life no matter what the circumstances are, okay? You are the creator of your life. So when you're happy, you're in a receiving mode. That's what I'm getting. So sorry. Yeah, the conditioning, divine angels are saying that you have to work on your conditioning. You are actually in the process, but stop rejecting your things, stop restricting yourself, okay? Stop resisting the change of your mindset and the conditions, okay? Because you really need to form a total new DNA for yourself. And let's see what the last card is all about. Yes, courage. Yes, to get away from all this negativity and be understandable, be receptive, okay? Stop comparing, stop conditioning yourself, and start elevating your DNA and start having fun. You really need the courage. And yes, divine universe is saying the bottom of the deck is the rebirth card. Trust me, 10 again. This 1010 is all about talking about your rebirth. And trust me, within this 1 week after 10 portal, 1010 portal, you will be seeing yourself in a new highlight, in a new version. Trust me, you're again, I'm saying that you are not in your 1.0 version, you're in your 2.0 version very soon. Trust me. And definitely do claim the energies, guys, okay? Bye. And let me know how you felt this reading. I would love to know your know your aspects, okay? Know your what happened in 1010, what you did and everything. I just love to hear from you. Bye.